Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel MG Flora. And friends who are new to this channel, I would request you to subscribe my channel, and if you like my video then please share it with your near and dear ones and give it a thumbs up, give it a like. So friends, today I have come to you with a new and very rare and exotic plant, Aglaonema Heng Heng. Friends, as you can see friends, this plant is a very mature plant, and this plant has already made some flowers in it, and this plant is about 3 to 4 years old. And as of these holes in the leaves, friends, it was very unfortunate that when this leaf was very small and it was going to open, there was an attack of caterpillars in this plant, and they had eaten up a little bit of the new leaves, parts of the new leaves. And so friends, this is the condition which they had left off. But still friends, you can see that the plant is doing very strong. The leaves are very nice and matured. And friends, I would like to show you one thing, that this plant was kept in a here friends, here you can see friends, there is a caterpillar here. So friends, I will not apply any medicine, I will remove it manually, which is of course friends very dirty job. I will remove it with my hands. And friends, this is what these insects do to your plants if you leave them unattended. So friends, what I was telling you, that this is earthen pot, and it is about 6 inches in height, and it is a very old plant. And you can see friends, this is the condition of the plant stems. There have been many suckers coming out from within the soil level. And so friends, now what we are going to do, that we will change the soil composition of this plant and give it a totally new look. So friends, let's start the process. Friends, for this we have taken a bucket full of water, and we will dip the whole plant into this water with the whole soil and root ball. And after a few minutes or so, about 15 minutes or half an hour, the soil will loosen and all the root inside will be visible to you. So friends, now we are going to dip the plant in the bucket of water. Before that friends, we are going to take this plant out of its pot. So friends, let's see the inside root structure of this plant. Here friends, as you can see, this is the type of roots which has developed inside the plant. And friends, when I had planted it, I had even given some large coconut husks within the soil, and it has been completely used up by the media, and it has decomposed very well. So friends, as you can see that you can only find roots and roots available in this pot, and there is not much of a soil left to see. Still friends, we will dip it into the water bucket and wait for a while for the old soil to loosen up. Here friends, we are going to dip it into the water and wait for some time. Friends, as the soil loosens up, I would like to show you another thing, that for the repotting purpose I have taken this plastic pot with 4 stands, which will keep the pot elevated from the ground by about half an inch. And friends, this is a plastic pot. It does not look very strong, but still friends, we are not going to play with this pot like a football or so. So friends, we will use this pot. You can see friends, the diameter of the upper portion of this pot is about 6 or 7 inches, or about more than 7 inches, and it is a little bit of cone like as it goes below. So friends, it has a height of about 6 inches, close to the old terracotta pot, or it is quite the same, but still friends, it is wide enough and it will give the roots a little bit more space. So friends, now we will make holes in this pot with a hot iron or a solder iron. So here friends, this iron is quite warm, hot now, and we can make holes into this pot with this iron, and these holes will help the plant to keep the moisture level low, so that there is no root rot in this plant. As friends, in terracotta pots or earthen pots, there is a very nice chance of water getting evaporated, because as the soil of the plant gets hot, some of the moisture inside the plant gets evaporated with the help of the earthen pot. But that is not the fact with the plastic pots, because plastic pots do not help the plants quite enough to lose moisture. They keep the moisture inside. So friends, we have to make a different approach to the plant and give it a little more chance to dry up the excess moisture inside the soil. So friends, as you can see, I am making holes a little bit apart inside the pot, and this will hopefully help the plant to control the excessive moisture inside the soil. If the soil gets too moist or wet during the rainy season or during the monsoon season. So friends, we have made enough holes into this pot, as you can see friends. The holes are arranged in this way, and they are about 1 inch or little more than 1 inch apart. I have made 4 holes here also. And now friends, we will see that how our soil is doing inside the bucket of water. So friends, we think about half an hour has passed away, and I will show you the result after I have kept the plant dipped into the bucket of water for so long. So friends, here is the root structure, and you can see the whole root ball of this plant, this very mature Aglaonema Heng Heng plant. Friends, I had put some plastic nets for the holes which were previously there in the earthen pot, but it has no use as of now in my new pot, so I will not remove them, as the roots have gone inside the plastic nets. So taking off these plastic nets will disturb the roots and they will start to break off. So friends, let's remove the bucket of water. And friends, now we will take this pot, and as I had earlier mentioned you that the depth of the pot is quite enough. As you can see friends, the plant is getting quite a good amount of depth into this new pot. So friends, firstly we will fill the plant pot with some soil and make a layer. Here friends, we have made a layer, and now we will put the plant inside the new pot. Friends, one thing we will have to do, that we will have to remove this flower which contains seeds of the Aglaonema, but unfortunately we do not have the proper arrangements or the proper technique to harvest these seeds. Here friends, as you can see, this flower contains hundreds of seeds of this Aglaonema plant, but it is very unfortunate for us that we are unable to culture or utilize all the seeds and make plants out of it. So friends, as we make more and more research over this plant, maybe in the near future we will be able to make use of the seeds of Aglaonema plants, but as of now they have no use, so we will throw it off. Friends, now we will fill the pot with new media. The friends, now you can see I am filling the pot with new media, and we will hope that this plant will flourish as it has been doing in the old media. Friends, I would like to say you one thing, that you might not know what the old media had contained and what was the percentage of soil mixes inside the old media. So friends, I would like to say, previously the media which I had used in this plant was a few coconut chips and about 50% of leaf mold and about 50% of sand, red river sand. So friends, as you can see friends, this is the result of that kind of a soil structure, and it had been doing very well. So friends, even if we have changed the soil right now, we will have to see that what result comes out after about a month or so. Friends, I will keep you updated about the results of the new soil media and the progress of this plant as time goes by. Friends, as I had thought of, this pot is quite large, and it holds quite a lot of soil inside it. Hey friends, so friends, we have completed the repotting of Aglaonema Heng Heng plant, which is about 4 years old and has produced a lot of suckers. But friends, right now we are not going to separate the suckers from the mother plant, and we have kept the root ball intact. We have only changed the soil media, and we have completely got rid of the old soil media, and we had planted this Aglaonema plant into a new pot with, friends, as you can see, I have shown you with holes. And now friends, we will apply some water to this plant, and as I have already discussed in my other videos, that right now the monsoon season is going on in India and in West Bengal. So friends, if you have a little bit of rainwater collected in your house, maybe it in your garden or in on your roof or in a bucket or in a container, whichever, you can apply rainwater to this plant, and you will find, friends, that rainwater will do miracles to the soil, and the plant will find it very easy to cope up with the new soil, as it has been completely got rid of the old soil, and new soil has been introduced to this plant. So friends, now we will apply some water to this plant. So friends, we will apply some rainwater which I had previously collected in my garden, and this rainwater will help the plant recover from the shock. We will also apply the water to this plant leaves, so that as the plant dries up, the leaves dry up, they will not be into a shock of removing the older soil and getting used up to the new soil. Friends, we will water the plant thoroughly and hope that the new soil gets settled with the old root structure of this plant. Friends, I am watering it with the help of a bottle sprayer. So now friends, our watering is almost done, and we hope that this plant will do well after a few days. And now friends, thank you very much for watching the video till the end. Those who have watched the video till the end, I would request them to like the video if you have got enough information from this video which has helped you. And friends, if you like the videos, then please share it with your near and dear ones. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and please subscribe my channel MG Flora. Friends, thank you very much for watching the video till the end. Friends, thank you. See you soon.